Good morning students, welcome to 11th Biozoology class. In this class, discuss about chapter
number 3.
Tissue level organization, page number 41, 3.3 connective tissues. So connective tissue means it develops from the mesoderm and middle layer in embryos. Next, three main classes of connective tissue. First one, loose connective tissue. Another one, tense connective tissue. Third one, specialized connective tissues. So what is the function of connective tissue? Finding, support, protection, insulation and transportations. So next one, components of connective tissues. So what is the components of connective tissues? So three main components: fibers, ground substance, cells. So what's the function of fibers? So provide the support. So three types of fibers. So first one, collagen fibers, another one elastic fibers, third one reticular fibers. So three main types of connective tissues. So first one, loose connective tissues. The loose connective tissues divided into three main types. So first one, areolar loose connective tissues, adipose loose connective tissues, last one, reticular loose connective tissues. So next, tense connective tissues is divided into three types. So first one, regular dense connective tissues, irregular dense connective tissues, elastic dense connective tissues. So next is specialized connective tissues is divided into three types. So first one, cartilage specialized connective tissues, bones, last one, blood. So next discuss about the loose connective tissues. So loose connective tissue means cells and fibers are loosely arranged in a fluid. So this is called loose connective tissues. So loose connective tissues are three types. So areolar, adipose and reticular. So first discuss about areolar loose connective tissues. So the areolar loose connective tissues so present in the beneath the skin, acts the support and reservoirs. So it is otherwise called tissue fluids. It is contain fibroblast, macrophage and mast cells. Adipose tissue. So adipose tissues, what is the location of adipose tissue? This also beneath in the skin. So similar to the areolar loose connective tissues. So commonly called adipose fat cell. So during fasting condition, the adipose tissue produce and supply energy as fuel. So found in the subcutaneous tissues surrounding kidneys, eyeballs and heart, etc. So two types of adipose tissues. So first one, white adipose tissue are otherwise called white fat. Brown adipose tissue are called brown fat. So important two more questions. So what is the difference between white adipose tissues and brown adipose tissues, or white fat or brown fat? So white adipose tissues found in kidney, heart, eyeball, etc. So store nutrients. So brown adipose tissues present abundant mitochondria. It contains abundant mitochondria. So used to heat the blood stream to warm the bodies. It is used to what is the uses of blood? Brown adipose tissue used to heat the blood stream to warm the body. So next discuss about the reticular connective tissues. So reticular means matrix filled with a fibroblast. So support blood cells in the lymph nodes, spleen and bone marrow as the inner brainwork. So next topic, tense connective tissues. So fibers, what is the meaning tense connective tissue? Fibers and fibroblast are compactly packed in the tense connective tissues. So compactly, tightly packed in the tense connective tissues, so called tense connective tissues. So three types of tense connective tissues. So regular tense connective tissues, irregular tense connective tissues, elastic tense connective tissues. So regular dense connective tissues contains more collagen fibers and few elastic fibers. Irregular dense connective tissues contain thick collagens and fibroblasts are arranged irregularly. So Next, elastic tense connective tissues contains high proportions of elastic fibers, so present in the wall of arteries. So the next topic, specialized connective tissues. So specialized connective tissues classified into three types. So first one cartilage, second one bones, third one blood. So first discuss about cartilage. So what is mean cartilage? So cartilage mean contain the intercellular materials of solid and so permeables. So chondrocyte means so cartilage cell present in the small cavity. So chondrocyte means cartilage cell. So next, the cartilage replaced by bones in adult stage. In adult stage, the cartilage replaced by bones. So cartilage present in the tip of nose, outer ear joints, ear pinna, etc. So next discuss about bones. Bones means hard and non-malleable, the ground substance rich in the calcium salt and collagen fibers. So collagen fiber and calcium salt present in the bones. So the bones give the strength to the bones. Calcium salt and collagen fiber strength to the bones. What's the function of bones? Protect softer tissues and organs. So what is the meaning osteocytes? So osteocytes means bone cells. So the cells present in the bones that called osteocytes. So what is the lagna means? Space. So bone marrow acts as site of protection of blood cells. The blood cells is produced by bone marrow, protection by bone marrow. So next topic, blood. So blood means the fluid connective tissues. The blood containing plasma, red blood cell, white blood cells and platelets. So what's the function of blood? It acts as a transport medium such as transport nutrients, waste cases. So some connective tissue disorders, Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, Strickler syndrome, rhabdomyosarcoma. These are the disorders relating to the connective tissues.